What's going on, guys? So welcome back to another Python tutorial. So we have been doing with web crawlers. So we have built, I guess, 3 to 4 web crawlers, and we have like 4 videos. So at this point, you should have the knowledge that you can basically get almost anything that you want from any website. So you can use the knowledge of web crawlers and get, or you can build your simple own small search engine, which basically would go and crawl various website and would gather information. So there are a couple more modules which you can use. So one is Scrapy, and the other is Selenium. So which basically is kind of like scraper, which basically scrapes the screen. So in near future, I might make videos of these 2 modules. So at this point, I'm gonna stop at what we have done. So basically, we're gonna stop at what we have learned for web crawlers. So I guess in later videos, I might make few projects on those Scrapy and that what you call, I just forgot the name. What was it? Scrapy and yeah, Selenium. So in today's video, I have something different and something fun. So first, let's check out the output, and then we're gonna see what we need to build that. So um, speak and yeah, enter.
Hey guys, so in today's video, we will learn how to convert a text to audio like this.
So I guess you guys have heard what it said. So it said that, hey guys, in today's video, we will be learning how to convert a text to audio like this. So let's quickly dive in today's video and let's see how we can build this really cool thing. So yeah. Okay, so this video is going to be short because we do not need too many things to get started with this. So first and foremost, what we need is this module called as pyt tsx3. So basically, which is Python text to speech, and x3 is basically the version. So if you do not have this installed, which you probably will not have, so you need to go to file, go to settings, then go to project interpreter, and then you have this plus symbol. So it's basically taking time to load all my projects. So you're gonna hit here plus, and then just search out here pyttsx3, and you should have this, and you just hit install package. And it's gonna take some time because this is quite big, so it's going to take some time, and then after you're done, it's going to show that it has been installed, and then after you're done, you can start coding. So first we need to import this module, and then after you're done, so first we're going to make an object of this. Let's call it speaker, and then um, let's just clear it out. So let's call this speaker, and so first I'm going to write this, and then we're going to initialize it. Okay, so after we're done with initializing, now our speaker has everything that we need. So what we're going to say, we're going to say that speaker equals speaker.say, and here we're going to pass hey, how are you? Okay, now let's run this. So for this, we can write speaker dot run and wait. Now let's run this.
Hey, how are you?
Okay, so as it says, hey, how are you? So now, so you can basically get input from the user, and then you can basically speak out that. So let's say speech or text. Let's call it text, and input, and enter the text to convert to audio. And then what you can do, you can call speaker dot say, and here you can pass the text, and then speaker dot run and wait. Now let's run. So first, it's gonna ask for this, the audio, what you want to pass as here. So the argument basically. So hey Hank, what are you doing? Okay. Now hit enter.
Hey Hank, what are you doing?
So it says, hey Hank, what are you doing? So yeah, this is what I wanted to show. So in the next video, we're gonna see how we can use this, and basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna just create a program which basically would allow any PDF. So if you have any PDF, so this program, so whatever we write in the next video would allow us to hear or the convert the text that is written or that will be written on the PDF to audio. So basically you can just um, run the program and then sit and then just hear your program say out whatever is written in the PDF. So that's it for today's video. I hope this was pretty interesting. So if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to remain updated whenever we post a new video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you guys in the next video.